Snoring gone wrong, flushed face emoji, ambulance emoji. So, I pretended to be asleep to dodge a video call with my super chatty aunt. I figured if I snored loud enough, they'd get the hint and hang up. Turns out, my snoring sounded less peaceful nap and more medical emergency. Next thing I know, my phone is blowing up and there's an ambulance outside my house. My aunt watched the whole thing live and is now convinced I have sleep apnea. I guess I'll be answering her calls from now on, unless I want the fire department involved next time.